First off, I want to say I apologize to anyone who I mispronounced their name. What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I am telling you all of the different kind of social media pros that I've been following over the years of travel blogging, and they've really helped my account grow, and I hope they'll help you grow too. But I wanted to give you this wealth of information because these guys are amazing, and I feel like everyone should know who they are. I just love them. I'm going to show you their TikToks because that's what I listen to most of their content on, and then I'll flip over to YouTube to listen to them over there. But here's all their TikTok accounts so you can find all their information through TikTok. So in no particular order, let's start it off. So first one is Vanessa Lau. I love her. She has like a really quick speed to her voice and she just like spits facts like this. I love it. It's like the best because I hate when people just go on and on forever about nothing. Like literally every one of her sentences is a fact. So make sure you check her out. She talks all things Instagram. She's really good with growth and just all over growth on all your accounts, but Instagram is what she helped me the most with. So this is Vanessa Lau.
Properly categorize your account so that they can show it to the right people. How the Instagram algorithm works is Instagram will show you content and accounts based on your interests. But the issue is if Instagram doesn't know what your account is all about, it's going to be really hard for Instagram to push your content to the right people.
The next one is Social Tie Pro or Social T Pro. He has so much information. He posts almost like every day. He's got crazy information on his channel. Enough said, just look at his feed and you'll know exactly the kind of things that he puts out.
The ad rev share model for YouTube creators. But I just noticed today they're already rolling out ads on YouTube Shorts. So as we thought this was going to be rolling out in early 2023, they're already testing this out right now, which means this might come sooner for Shorts creators.
Sunny Doozy has been around forever. Like I've watched so many of her videos before I even started travel blogging. So she helped me a lot with Instagram growth. She talks a lot about YouTube and just growing across all platforms and how to come up with content and all sorts of things. So this is her account. Check her out. Jessie on a Journey is actually one of my favorite travel girls out there. Hi, Jessie. I've never met her before, but I did take her class and it helped me so much. She literally walks you step by step on how to make a travel blog. Like she walks you through every single step of the way. So she helped me a lot just getting the confidence to finally start doing it. She even said, just like start doing it. So I started doing it and I have never looked back. It's just like one step in front of the other and it's great. So thanks, Jessie. And this is her content, so check her out. Anastasia Blogger takes all of the guest work out of Pinterest. Pinterest is still like, I'm still learning the ropes of Pinterest, but she really walks you through step by step how to do it, the right hashtags, the right words to use, like how to grow. She's got it all together. She has wealth of information on her channel. That Allie Mason is amazing. She always has all sorts of motivational things to really start you thinking about content and what to post and when to post, and she just does a little bit of everything, so check her out.
And there's a little bit of a mindset trick that can help along the way. So first, if you're using your social media to sell something, which most people are. If you're a creator, you might have merch. If you are a business owner, then you definitely have something. You are either providing a service or providing a product. And if it feels cringy and gross when you talk about it, it's probably because you're stepping out of integrity with the reality of what sales really are, which is not a moment in time. It is a relationship that you build.
Jade Wansa is also one of those where I've been following her forever. She is awesome. She's doing all sorts of crazy stuff now. She was one of my original social media like guru people that I followed, and she's been doing it since she was like 11. So it's pretty crazy how much she's been on YouTube, and she's kept all her videos so you can even go back and see how she started, which I really love, and I want to like do the same thing. And this is Jade, and she's got a wealth of information she's learned over the years. She also does coaching, so check her out.
My biggest piece of advice if you're starting out making content is when you make 100 videos, it's not about getting 100 videos to hit 1 million followers. It's literally just to get your practice out there. You like to practice speaking, talking to a camera is awkward, learning more about what content you like, not just figuring out a niche. Like you don't figure out a niche till 100 videos later. At least that's what happened to me and a bunch of the people that I work with. I really believe it's all about putting yourself out there, figuring out what works, but also what you like to make as a creator.
Jade Beeson is someone I just found recently and I'm loving her videos. Of course, she has an English accent, so that always helps. It keeps me entertained, but this is Jade. She's got a wealth of information on how to grow your YouTube account, how to grow Instagram, how to be like viral on TikTok and all these kind of things. So check her out.
So I go on long walks every day. I try to walk for like 1 to 2 hours, especially because the weather's nice and it just clears my head. What I've been doing recently is purposely doing all of my engagement during my walks. So I will respond to Instagram comments, DMs, I'll go on my YouTube, I'll look at the comments there, like anything to do with engaging with my audience, I will do it whilst I'm on a walk. This to me is such a good use of time because engaging with my audience isn't a chore. It's not something which, you know, is really like tiresome, but it is still something that I need to do every day.
JT Barnett is always making me think. He is just a genius. So he is a TikTok guru and I follow him across a bunch of platforms, but TikTok is where I mostly see him at. And he's always got like the breaking news in social media. He's the one that I found out that YouTube just changed their shorts to like 10 million. So you are now able to monetize on shorts. So thanks JT for that info. And he also told me about the creator community on YouTube. So I am ready to really grow my account so much, like I cannot wait. So thanks JT for all the motivation. This is his account.
Wow, on the topic of SEO on TikTok, this is another massive update. TikTok just announced that they're increasing the description, which is the caption length, to 2,000 characters. Let me just explain why this is so important for you. Previously, most people didn't really care about captions. You could only use 160 characters, you wouldn't really write anything that was super compelling, maybe some hashtags, maybe a sentence. But then a study came out talking about how Gen Z searches on TikTok more than they search on Google.
I also want to reiterate that I've never met any of these people. Maybe I will one day if I go to like a conference or something, but I just like, you know, when you follow people so much, you feel like you know them in a way. And I aspire to do a similar kind of content where I'm talking to you guys, like you know me, like I'm your friend. So even though I've never met you, but we might never meet, at least like if you slide into my DM or write a comment, I'm all about social media being social and making new friends all over the world. So make sure you drop a comment below and say hi, and I'll say hi back. All right, guys, on to the next one. Master Media Company. She is great. She has like, she does all the trending sounds. She gives you different ideas to post with her. She does like different content challenges all the time. So check her out. She is so cool. Next up, I have Robert Benjamin, and he talks all thing growing on everything. Like he talks about everything, guys. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. He tells you how to go viral. Like he tells you what times to post. He is amazing. I try to watch his videos whenever he posts. He posts like every day. So it's very motivational. So thanks for that. And I love Make Money Matt. He helped me reach my subscriber account, honestly, because he gave me the simplest word of advice, which was like, ask people to subscribe, ask people to like, because like people get so wrapped up in watching your videos and learning the value that you have to offer to them that they forget about like, oh, what can I do for them and like for helping me out. So that was like a no-duh thing, which I didn't even think of. So I started writing, help me reach 1,000 subscribers at the bottom of my videos. And I found that that really helped a lot. And I also ask people to like and subscribe to my videos now. So we'll see what happens. We're on the way. It's working so far. So thanks, Make Money Matt. All right, guys, I feel like I gave you way more than 10. I kind of stopped counting after a while. I just started naming people. There's so many people. There's so many more people I could tell you about, but these were the main ones and I'm running out of time. So I just wanted to give you an idea of people that you could find that will really help you out, and different coaches and different free information that people will give to you. So as a blogger, just always keep that in mind. The more free value you give out to people, the more people will trust you. Like they've all gotten me as a follower and a subscriber and things because they've just given me so much value and have helped me so much. So I do what I can to help them out. I hope all of this makes sense and you guys like these videos and you followed all them. And even if you didn't follow them, just like check out their videos, give them some views. If you liked what you heard today, check out everything I learned in my first year of blogging. Hopefully that will help you too. And I post every Sunday at 3 o'clock. I am talking everything I've learned from my 2 years of travel blogging. I'm also putting out my content from my latest vacations. So in the meantime, check out those videos and I'll see you in my next video.